Walmart's age verification usually fails when the system can't confirm ID details during checkout or pickup, especially for restricted items like alcohol or certain over-the-counter products that require ID scanning. By the end, you'll know why Walmart age verification stops working, how the ID check actually runs, and the exact steps to fix it during checkout or pickup. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Walmart uses a digital ID check through the app or in-store system to confirm age eligibility before completing restricted purchases. If anything in that process doesn't match, the verification can fail instantly. The most common issue is ID mismatch. If the name or birth date on your Walmart account doesn't match your ID exactly, the system can reject the verification even if you are old enough. Next issue is camera scanning failure. When using the app, Walmart relies on your phone camera to capture ID details. Poor lighting glare or a damaged ID can cause the scan to fail or not read the data correctly. Now here's how to fix it step by step. First, check your account details. Make sure your name and date of birth in the Walmart profile match your government-issued ID exactly. Even small differences can block verification. Next, clean your ID and retake the scan. Lay it on a flat surface. Remove shadows, and make sure the camera focuses fully before taking the photo. If the image is blurry, the system will reject it automatically. If you're in store, ask the associate to retry the ID scan instead of manually bypassing it. Sometimes the handheld scanner fails due to temporary system lag, not your ID itself. Another fix is switching verification method if available. Some Walmart locations allow manual ID checks when digital verification fails, especially at self-checkout. If none of that works, log out of the app and log back in before retrying the purchase. This resets the checkout session and can clear temporary verification errors. The key idea is simple. Walmart age verification depends on perfect matching between your ID, your account, and a clean scan. If any one of those breaks, the system blocks the purchase automatically. To sum it up, most failures come from account mismatches, poor ID scans, or temporary system errors, and each one has a direct fix if you go step by step. Next step is simple. Check your account details first before retrying the scan, because that's the most common reason the verification fails. If you want more simple Walmart checkout fixes explained clearly, subscribe for quick breakdowns that help you solve problems in seconds instead of guessing.